नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिव समारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्ति मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respect. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Shri Mahants, Mahants, Tanidar, visitors, viewers, Kotaris, everyone sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV and two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha. I welcome all of you with my love and respect. Today's subject for the webinar, Ultimate Collective Consciousness. As you all have seen just now, formal invitation for the 42nd Jayanti Brahmotsava, Avatara Dinotsava is today officially presented. Formally offering this invitation to Paramashiva and praying to Mahaganapati, Parashakti and all the gods and goddesses. Not only I offer the invitation to Paramashiva, Parashakti, Mahaganapati, all the gods and goddesses, I also accept the invitation and I offer the invitation to all of you also. Come to Adi Kailash and celebrate the 42nd Jayanti Brahmotsava, Avatara Dinotsava, which starts officially with the Dvajarohanam, which will be in next few days. So we will be having formal Dvajarohanam on 22nd and December 31st, 42nd Avatara Dinotsava. This time we are celebrating 21 days, the whole Brahmotsava. I welcome every one of you and all the gods and goddesses. Paramashiva and Parashakti being lead and head, invite all the gods and goddesses, Rishis, Munis, Kinnara, Gimburuda, Gandharva, Gandhara, Kailaya, Vasis, everyone to come and celebrate the 42nd Avatara Dinotsava in Kailash, where I am residing, and in Adi Kailash. This year is going to be really wonderful, beautiful year with the grace of Paramashiva and Parashakti. Lot of wonderful, good, exciting things are ahead of our life, in front of our future. Wonderful things are coming. We will be doing doing wonderful things with the blessings and grace of Paramashiva. Get ready to celebrate the whole life, not just 42nd Avatara Dinotsava. From now, with the grace of Paramashiva Parashakti, starts life as eternal celebration. Today's subject for the webinar, Ultimate Collective Consciousness. Understand, again and again Paramashiva appears to give a superconscious breakthrough, not just to the individuals, to the whole humanity. That is why he needs a place to install his space and operate it and manifest it through millions, initiating millions. That is why a land, nation, to radiate the superconsciousness is required. Paramashiva's grace, Paramashiva's initiation to manifest. I tell you, so much of work is there, need to be done. First thing, collecting and organizing all this 20 million, 2 crore source books of Sanatana Hindu Dharma, Veda, Agama, Shruti, Smriti, Shruti, Smriti, Purana, Upaveda, Ubagama, Vedanga, Darshana. All this collecting, organizing, decoding, mapping into modern language. I have a scripture tree. We can present it to you. We are collecting. Still collecting, organizing, scanning, decoding, making all these signs as livable, practicable, user-friendly. By the grace of Paramashiva, we have a huge work to do. What we have done is too little. We have too much to do to contribute to the world, raise the collective consciousness to the next level. You can see the Sanatana Hindu Dharma's scriptures tree. Shruti, Smriti. Even in this, Upagamas are missed. Only main Agamas are named. Upagamas need to be mentioned. Vedas, Agamas, Upavedas, Vedangas, and Upagamas. All this put together is called Shruti, revealed scriptures. Smriti, remembered. Manusmriti, Yajnavalkya Smriti, Parashara Smriti, Yamadharma Smriti. There is a Smriti written by Yamadharma. which will form basis for our CRPC, for the cosmic court. Idihasa, Mahabharata, Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana, Puranas, Mahapuranas, Upapuranas, additional Upapuranas, Darshanas, Nyaya, Vaiseshika, Sankhya, Yoga, Purva Mimamsa, Uttara Mimamsa. Collecting all of this and decoding them, and I'm evolving human beings radiating this super consciousness. For example, cosmic court. Somebody through power manifestation connects with Yamadharma and Chitragupta energy, unable to download the whole Yamadharma Smriti in his system. He will sit as the representative of Yamadharma and conduct the cosmic court. He will deliver judgments from all over the world. Anybody can file any case related to past, present, future. The judgment will be honored by the cosmic court. When the cosmic court gives a judgment, whole cosmos will honor it. Kinnara, Kimburu, Gandharva, the Yamadutas, they will take care of the responsibility of honoring the judgment. I am evolving the Balasans who will have that kind of a spiritual strength, who will download the Yamadharma Smriti and who will connect with Yamadharma Raja and study the cases brought in front of them and see the truth and deliver the judgment. Same way, who can connect with Kupera and Lakshmi Venkateshwara and manifest all the principles of economy. They will sit and administer the wealth and treasure. Understand? The two are different. Treasure is different, wealth is different. They will sit and administer wealth and treasure. Vyasa, who connects with Vyasa and manifests the energy of Vyasa. Those kids who can download any Akashic records, they will establish the whole structure and administration. And kids who can connect with Dhanvantri, Vaidishwara, they will sit and administer all the Hindu medical services and medicinal services. You are really going to see literally Kailasa. Understand? Literally Kailasa. It is not just going to be the deities and the scriptures, it is going to be the living beings who are going to give life to the Kailas. Fortunately, with Paramashiva's grace and Parashakti's grace, already we have established what I am talking is possible. Already we have manifested through many kids this downloading the scriptures and revealing is possible. I just need to work with few more kids. And I tell you, it is possible, we will do it. It is possible, we will do it. This is the way the cosmic court will be conducted. This is the way the Federal Reserve of Kailasa will be managed, administered. This is the way. The treasury of the Kailasa will be administered. This is the way the administration of the Kailasa will be done. Whole thing is going to be power manifestation based. I am getting all the devotees, disciples, Balasans who are highly integrated and manifesting powers. Gathering all of them and training them into further power manifestation, making them as part of the Kailas. Understand? Person who connects with Vaidishwara and Dhanvantri, they will sit and do the body scanning and suggest the medicines and aushadas. They will make the aushada on the spot and provide you. They will perform the surgeries without touching you, just by the third eye. They will align your spine and the whole body and perform the surgery. I am not telling you stories. I am promising you I am going to revive the beings who connect with Vishwakarma and manifest his power. They will be doing all the art and reviving the sacred arts work, music, dance, sculpture, construction, deity making, everything they are going to be doing. Each field, same way people who connect with Annapurani, they are going to be managing, administering the kitchen and feeding millions who will visit Kailash for darshan of Paramashiva. Understand? Unabashedly, Paramashiva is going to show his glory through this Kailasa to the world. Person who connects with Narada will be the chief editor of Hinduism now and revealing all the news happening all over the world. It's really going to happen. I've already shown you it is possible. I just need to do little more fine tuning to take it to the next level. Show it to you all. Maybe by this Jayanti, work will start, and by this coming Shivaratri, you will see the demonstration. You will see the demos of all these powers and our demonstration and with the grace of Paramashiva and Parashakti, Kailash functioning on planet Earth. Demonstrating it to the world. This great superconscious possibilities and powers. Anybody already initiated into the preliminary levels powers, like a third eye reading, able to move the matter, coconut through the mind, able to move the matter through the consciousness, the initial powers, if you are able to manifest, and you want to learn the next level powers and want to be full-time Adinavasi with the Sangha, full-time Kailayavasi, doing this power manifestation every day as a service to the whole world. Understand, when you decide to serve the whole world, whoever comes, Paramashiva will shower you with more and more powers. Anybody who wants to be pure channel, for now whatever I announce, if you are interested in body scanning and healing through the third eye, aligning the people body and doing the surgery just through third eye, please apply. Send an email, tinyurl.com/apply_ghu. If you want to be connecting with Yamadharma and downloading his Yamadharma Smriti and conducting the cosmic court and attending to all the cases brought and delivering the cosmic judgment as per the energy of Yamadharma. Yamadharma. If you are interested in this, welcome. Send us an email. With Paramashiva's grace, I will train you. And he has empowered me. It's not arrogance I am talking. It is his grace. Paramashiva's grace and Paramashiva's blessings. He has empowered me to initiate you and train you and make it happen. If you are interested in this kind of services and want to be part of full-time Kailayavasi, welcome. We are going to be opening all the great services of Hinduism to the world. Hindu medical sciences, Hindu spiritual sciences, Hindu physical healing, mental healing, wealth management, teaching, health management, and downloading the scriptures and decoding them, conducting the cosmic court. All these services we are going to provide to the whole world. Anybody who is interested, who has started already manifesting powers, who is integrated to these services, you want to be part of the Kailayavasi full time, please apply immediately. Understand, it is not going to be just a people living together, it is going to be gods living together. Real Kailasa. We will show it to the world how Kailasa is, with the grace of Paramashiva and Parashakti, how Kailasa is not just in the external structure, even in the conscious level, it will be just radiating Kailasa. In each field, the principles of those traditions, revealed scriptures and remembered scriptures, Shruti and Smriti related to those subjects will be preserved, protected, decoded, manifested, taught, and service made into reality for humanity. That is the way Kailash is going to function. Understand? If at all you have a question, why Hindu nation? See this, then you will understand why Hindu nation. The kids who are able to do the Akashic reading will start doing Nadi reading for you. The kids who can see the grahas directly through their third eye, they will see your grahas and give you the astrological counseling. You don't need to tell your questions. You write your questions in the paper and keep it in your packet and come and sit. They will read the questions and see your grahas and give you the solution and parihara. Understand? It's going to be real spiritual fun. The Kailasa is going to be real spiritual fun. The Cosmic Court, Federal Reserve of Kailash, the Annalaya of Kailash, and Vaidyalaya of Kailash, Goshala of Kailash, all of them are literally going to be radiating in its original form. Our manifestors who are radiating Paramashiva will conduct surgeries, including cosmetic surgeries, without touching you. It's going to become too big superconscious breakthrough to the whole world. Non-invasive surgeries will be performed through third eye. We have already demonstrated the possibility in a small scale. Now we will demonstrate it in a large scale with more and more scientific research. Our manifestors, Paramashiva, Anga Devatas, Avarana Devatas, Paramashiva's embodiments They will be making on the spot Aushadan, giving you, healing you, helping you make power manifest. Whoever wants to be part of this grand happening, being power manifester, ready to dedicate your life to be Kailaya Vasis, welcome. Send us an email. I'll start the training. Understand? I decided just to give my time because nothing else was there in my hand. But he decided to give his very life. Decide to give time, he gives you life. If you decide to hold the time, time takes away even your life. I decided to give my time at the feet of him. Whatever he gave, I gave it. I offered it at his feet. And he started to radiate. Whoever wants to give your time, being in Kailasa, come and be part of this grand spiritual fun. Leela Paramashiva. Manifesting extraordinary powers will be the day-to-day lifestyle. If you are already initiated into power manifestation and if you have tasted manifesting any one power very strongly and you know this power manifestation science is true, your consciousness feels integrated to it. Come on, welcome. Come and be part of the Kailash. Don't waste your life anywhere else. Come and be part of the Kailash. Too much is there to be celebrated as part of the Kailash. Come and manifest this power manifestation science. Celebrate Paramashiva. Let Paramashiva show how the Kailash is to the whole world through all of us. Let's all give our life to him. Our time to him. Actually, we don't have life, we have only time. Let's give our time to him. Let his life manifest and radiate through all of us. With this, I have given you the initial vision of what is Kailash is going to be. And with this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, Paramashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.